Hey, how's it going, guys? Sonny with Admor HVAC, Hawaii's HVAC and Insulation Superstore. This week's Ductmate Minute, we're doing a special 10% off the entire line of Ductmate's PROflex flexible duct connector. It doesn't matter if it's something we have in stock or if it's a special order item. This week only, March 11th through the 15th, 2013, you can get 10% off the entire line of Ductmate's PROflex flexible duct connector. To place that order, you can give me a call. Again, my name is Sonny. My direct line, 808-380-6269. Or call your favorite sales guy here at the shop. That number is 808-841-7400. And just mention this week's Ductmate Minute Monday special, 10% off the entire line of Ductmate's PROflex flexible duct connector here at the Superstore. Mahalo.